So we're going to be looking at the single Storey Pro kit that we sell. This consists of a 35 centimeters washer. This washer is a plastic T-bar with a lamb's wool sleeve on top of the T-bar, a 35 centimeter stainless steel squeegee with replaceable rubber, a 15 liter window cleaning bucket. This bucket is big enough to dip the washer into the bucket and fully submerge it. And then a 4-meter telepole. This telepole will be able to open all the way to 4 meters. And let me just show you how to attach the squeegee and the washer to the end of the pole. So all our poles are friction fit, and this means that the washer will fit over the end of the cone with enough friction to allow it to be held onto the pole without coming off. The same applies for the squeegee. Friction fit, you just push it on, there's enough friction for it to be able to be held onto the pole. And this helps especially when you're cleaning glass on a sunny day. You want to be able to take your washer and your squeegee off relatively speedily, and this is a very, very good way of being able to work. So that's the single Storey Pro kit that we sell.